Investing in rental properties is one of the most effective ways to generate passive income and build long-term financial stability. However, where a property is located plays a crucial role in determining its profitability. Some states have laws that favor landlords, making it easier to manage rental properties, while others have strict regulations that can make owning rentals more challenging. Additionally, economic conditions, population growth, and housing affordability all influence how successful a rental property investment can be. For real estate investors, the goal is to find states where they can maximize cash flow, protect their investments, and benefit from strong local economies. The best states for rental property investment in 2025 are those with pro-landlord laws, affordable housing markets, and increasing demand for rentals due to population growth. In these states, investors can enjoy lower property costs, higher rental demand, and fewer restrictions on managing tenants. We will start with Texas. Texas continues to be one of the best states for real estate investors. It has laws that favor landlords, making it easier to manage rental properties. If a tenant misses a payment, landlords in Texas can file for eviction after just 3 days. Unlike in some states, there is no statewide rent control, allowing landlords to set rent prices based on market demand. This ensures that rental income remains profitable without strict regulations limiting potential earnings. Housing in Texas is also relatively affordable compared to the national average. The median house price in Texas is around $326,000, which is approximately $100,000 less than the national average. This lower cost means investors can purchase rental properties with smaller loans, leading to lower monthly payments and higher cash flow. Cities like San Antonio and Corpus Christi offer even more affordable housing options, making them excellent choices for rental property investments. Texas is also experiencing a population boom, with around 470,000 people moving to the state every year. A growing population increases the demand for housing, and many newcomers prefer to rent rather than buy. Owning rental properties in Texas ensures that landlords will always have tenants in need of a place to live. Additionally, Texas is one of the most business-friendly states in the country. Large companies like Tesla, Oracle, and Hewlett-Packard have invested heavily in the state, bringing more jobs and boosting the economy. With a GDP of over $2 trillion, Texas has the second largest economy in the U.S., just behind California. A strong economy creates job opportunities, attracts more residents, and strengthens the rental market, making Texas a prime location for real estate investment. At number 2, we have Florida. Florida is another excellent state for rental property investors. Like Texas, it has laws that support landlords. If a tenant fails to pay rent, landlords can start the eviction process after 3 days, and in most cases, tenants can be legally removed within 25 to 30 days. This quick process ensures that property owners do not experience long periods without rental income. Housing prices in Florida remain attractive for investors. In cities like Tampa and Jacksonville, median home prices range between $300,000 and $350,000. These prices are significantly lower than in many other parts of the country, allowing investors to enter the market with lower capital. Lower home prices mean lower mortgage payments, which increases potential cash flow from rental properties. Florida also attracts a high number of new residents every year. Around 1,000 people move to Florida daily, which adds up to roughly 360,000 new residents annually. A steady increase in population creates a high demand for rental properties, ensuring that landlords have a consistent pool of tenants. Economically, Florida is thriving. In 2023, the state's economy grew by over 6%, outperforming Texas in economic growth. Florida also has no state income tax, making it a favorable place for businesses and individuals alike. Many companies are expanding their operations in Florida due to its business-friendly policies, further strengthening the state's economy. One downside of investing in Florida is the risk of hurricanes and extreme weather conditions. Investors should carefully select properties in areas less prone to natural disasters or ensure that they have the right insurance to protect their investments. At number 3 comes Tennessee. Tennessee has gained popularity among real estate investors due to its landlord-friendly laws and growing economy. While the eviction process takes slightly longer than in Texas and Florida, landlords can still begin eviction proceedings just 14 days after a missed rent payment. This is much faster than in many other states, where evictions can take several months. Affordability is another major advantage of investing in Tennessee. While home prices have increased in cities like Nashville, there are still affordable opportunities in places like Knoxville and Chattanooga. The median home price in these areas falls between $275,000 and $325,000, making it an attractive option for investors looking for low-cost rental properties. The state's economy is strong, with major companies such as Amazon and Volkswagen investing heavily in Tennessee. These businesses create jobs, attract workers, and boost the housing market. Additionally, Tennessee has no state income tax, making it a financially attractive place for residents and businesses. Population growth in Tennessee has also been steady. In 2023, the state ranked among the top 10 states for inbound migration, meaning more people are choosing to move there. A growing population ensures that rental properties remain in demand, providing investors with a steady stream of tenants. In number 4 is Georgia. Georgia is another state that offers great opportunities for rental property investment. Like the other states on this list, Georgia has favorable landlord laws. Landlords can start the eviction process just 7 days after a tenant fails to pay rent, allowing for a quicker turnaround in case of non-payment. The affordability of homes in Georgia makes it an attractive market for investors. While home prices in Atlanta have risen, other cities such as Savannah and Macon remain affordable. The median home price in Georgia is around $310,000, which is well below the national average. Investors can find good rental properties at reasonable prices, ensuring strong cash flow. Georgia's economy is also growing rapidly. The Port of Savannah is one of the largest on the East Coast and has played a significant role in boosting the state's economy. Additionally, Georgia has become a major hub for the film industry, offering tax incentives to production companies. Many popular movies and TV shows are filmed in Georgia, bringing more business and employment opportunities to the state. Large corporations like Microsoft and Google are expanding their operations in Georgia, further strengthening its economy. With businesses growing and more people moving to the state, the demand for rental properties is expected to rise, making Georgia a solid choice for investors. And number 5 comes Indiana. Indiana ranks as the best state for rental property investment in 2025. The state has landlord-friendly laws allowing property owners to evict non-paying tenants within 1 to 1.5 months. This ensures that investors do not lose rental income for extended periods. One of the biggest advantages of investing in Indiana is affordability. The median home price is around $260,000, which is significantly lower than the national average. Lower property prices make it easier for investors to enter the market and increase cash flow potential. Indiana's economy is strong and growing. In 2023, the state's GDP grew by 4.2%, signaling financial stability and economic health. Indianapolis, the state's capital, has experienced significant growth and is attracting more residents due to its clean and safe environment. Additionally, Indiana has low property taxes and minimal government regulations, making it an attractive place for real estate investors. The state's central location, known as the Crossroads of America, also makes it a prime destination for businesses and travelers, further boosting its economy. If you're serious about growing your real estate portfolio and want expert guidance on where and how to invest, visit my website from the description box below. You can book a free consultation to discuss your investment goals and get a personalized strategy tailored to your needs. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on valuable real estate insights. Drop a comment below and let us know which state you think is the best for rental property investment in 2025. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.